Welcome back!
Hi, I'm Delaney, and this is my friend Amber. Today I'll be showing you how to do a bold black and green smoky eye. It's great for all complexions, and it's perfect for a night out. First, I'm going to shape her eyebrows with this Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in taupe. I will sketch out her eyebrow shape, drawing an arch and connecting them together at the end. Next, I will outline her eyebrows with a Rimmel concealer in its lightest shade, taking a fluffy brush to blend it out. Then I will pack the same concealer on her eyelid. Taking a fluffy blending brush, I go into the Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Using a bright green shade, I place it in the crease of her eye, blending it out in circular motions. Going back into the same palette, I'm getting a black shade and patting it onto her eyelid, blending it up into the green color. I'm going to put a small amount on the tip of my finger, tapping it onto the black of the eyelid. Starting to cover her face, I'm going in with IT Cosmetics foundation in medium, blending it into her skin with a beauty blender. Using the same concealer, I put triangles under her eyes and a bit over her blemishes. Taking Airspun loose powder, I place it under her eye to set, using a warm tone to contour her jaw, cheeks, temples, and forehead with a fluffy brush. Brushing off the loose powder, I apply a soft blush on the apples of her cheeks. Curling her lashes, I then apply Sephora's false ones. One of our last steps is taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild highlight palette, applying a fair amount of green highlight on her cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose, inner eye corner, and underneath her eyebrows. Spraying her face with a Wet n Wild setting spray, the last thing to do is put on lipstick.